Hello, viewers. Welcome back. As you know, we have I have already uh, told you how to model the building, the main components. And so in the continuation, now I will tell you how to copy paste the elements of the building into the other stories. Now, I have generated these all things. This is the one story. It is having the columns, beams, and after columns and beam I have inserted the slab in it. Now I am going to copy paste it, and this will simplify my the procedure, and I can draw the building in minutes. So now you can see the components of the our stories are the columns, beams, and the slab. From here you can see many things that I am going to the story one. You, you should know that before starting this, from the geometry, I defined the axis and the stories, and then I created all these elements. For that, you can refer to my previous videos. Now I am going to show how to copy paste the building. So first of all, I need to select these story elements, and then I want to paste it in story 2 and then in story 3. Though I can do it separately, but now I will show you how to do it at once. So first of all, always remember when we are working, we know we have different stories and you can go to any story. Now I have to select the story one. So I can select it from here, select all from stories. Uh, Select all. So now I have selected all the columns, beams. You can see it from here. I have selected the beams, columns, and floor. Floor will mean these slabs. Now I want to copy and paste it into the other two stories. For that, uh, to simplify the whole procedure, I can simply go to the edit button or from edit from here. You should know in this toolbar, there are options several tabs: calculation, freeze, zoom all, rotate, zoom pan, redraw, and edit. This is the thing which we really require for this purpose. This, see it carefully. This is the edit, and it has some stationary mark on it, and it is different from the FE mesh generation. So you have to click this edit, and now you can see different things here. And what we know want is move and copy. So you can see the first, it is the copy properties. The second one is the move and copy, which I really need now. We have other options too, that's rotation, horizontal mirror, vertical mirror, planar symmetry, and so on. We can use it afterwards, but at this moment, I need this one, move and copy. Now, you can see when I press this move and copy, I have opened our box. Now you can see that here I have copied these, and I want to repeat it one time and two time because I have two stories left out of three. So I have to write number of repetition as. Now what I am going to do is I am going to click from here to here. Then this point will be moved from here to here, and everything will be executed. So first of all, let me select this point and move it to this one. And now I'm going to close it. Now you can see that I have story 1, story 2, and story 3. All of them have been completed. So in this way, story 1, story 2, story 3 is completed. Now I want to see about the loads combinations. So once again, let me show you the procedure again. First of all, from the story one, I am going to select all. Then from this edit and move and copy, I am going to copy, and from this point will be moved to this position. And if I will write one, then it will be executed once. If I will write twice, then it will be executed twice. So if I undo it once again, you can see, and I write two here, then it will be executed twice. So this button node will be moved to this point. Yes. So you can see I have put whole story there. So the two stories have been added without doing any work, with just a click. Now the I have also applied all the forces from all the loads from story 1 to story 2 and story 3. So the work has been simplified, but here I can change the loads in the story 3, and I can use roof load instead of live load in story 3 if there is no one there. So now to check whether the loads have been copied, you can just go to the simple cases, and you can see the load has been copied to all of the stories. And DL1 is if I go to the DL1, this is the simple self load case, so you are not seeing anything. But actually, all the loads are also copied easily. So thank you very much for viewing, and soon we will go for the calculations and analysis. And until now, the model has been completed. Just always remember that you have to use your own loads to draw this model. Thank you very much. And most important thing here is don't forget about the units. For me, these are feet, kip, and degree, and you can convert it to any to any of the unit by using the job preference from the tools. And this is the job preference, and you can select any dimension, material, loads, anything, whatever you want. So thank you very much for viewing, and uh, you can refer to my previous previous videos. Thanks a lot for watching. And if there is any question or you want to ask anything, please comment.